Hello, Potter in your pants. It is Wednesday, it's not September anymore. It's October 14th, 2009, and I am very sick. Actually, that's a lie. It's not a lie. Well, it's not a lie that I'm sick. I am sick. But why are we all sick? I don't know. But a lot of us are sick. But it is a lie that it is Wednesday. It is Tuesday right now. And I'm making my video today because I'm going to be very busy tomorrow, I'm guessing. It is Tuesday. And I've just watched all of your videos. Up to Olivia's. Yeah. So the wrap, it's going to have to wait. Because wrapping with the nose, not a good idea. It's just not. So last week I forgot to talk about the sorting hat quiz thing, which I did. But I put it in the sidebar, but I want to talk about it too. Gryffindor, 44, which I wasn't surprised with at all. This girl right here is not what one would call brave. Ravenclaw, I got a 77? I don't know what that was. But I got a 77. That's all you need to know. Hufflepuff, I got a 78, which was not surprising. I knew they'd be really close to each other. And even though Hufflepuff is 1 point more than Ravenclaw, I am going to say I'm still going to stick with the fact that I'm a Ravenclaw because of what Alex said when she said that Hufflepuffs are particularly good finders. I am not either. I've been playing a lot of Where's Waldo in the past week, and I really fail at it. And then 62 for Southern. My friend Molly would definitely be a Hufflepuff though, because she's really good at it. I have a question for you girls. Oh, what the best conversation about Harry Potter that you've ever had? The best conversation I've ever had about Harry Potter, I had recently. It was in August, end of August, and I was at camp, and I was a CIT counselor in training at camp, and we were having a CIT sleep out the second week I was there. We were waiting for the CIT director in this one section of the camp with a couple of other counselors. We kind of had a 3-hour-long conversation about Harry Potter. And it was the best thing ever because like 6 of us or something and one person, and he had not read Deathly Hallows yet. Like he was reading it right then, like he was halfway through. I forgot something, I'm sorry. I'll do it next week.